Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by making a recovery USB with the matching Windows version. This is critical because repair tools must match system files. Once done, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and set USB first. Disable Secure Boot if firmware blocks the drive. Make sure the PC is plugged in to avoid interruption. You'll also note whether the disk uses GPT or MBR and the OS build. That determines which repair commands and partition targets you'll run next. You'll launch automatic repair first. If it fails, open command prompt and run the bootrec sequence to restore master boot record and rebuild BCD, because these commands rewrite boot configuration data that commonly breaks. If you get access denied on /fixboot, switch to disk part to mount the EFI volume, assign a drive letter and run chkdsk and BCD boot to repair EFI files. Once these commands finish, restart to test. Make sure to remove the USB so the repaired bootloader loads from the internal disk. You'll finish by booting into Windows and running sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/ restore health to fix corrupted system files that survive boot repairs. These restore integrity so drivers load properly. If issues persist, apply a system restore point or image backup. These roll back faulty updates or drivers. Make sure you can boot into safe mode to collect error messages and event viewer logs. This is your primary troubleshooting tip if the main repair steps don't succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.